Knock on the door of our hearts and we shall let you in. Our darkened skin in its different shades, it is not wanted, nor is it equivalent and seen by the eyes of the majority, for we are minorities, colonized by fair skin oppressors, taught with lectures which taught us not to love ourselves, for we became lesser. We, the people, lost from our predecessor. I have goals. I have so much goals that I want to accomplish, but the world does not want to hear it. I guess I have to clear it. But if I clear it, people won't hear it. If I stay, will sirens come my way? Red and blue are the only colors that I see, but I am neither crip nor blood, but my blood stains the street, my body lays cryptic, dead to pebbly society. Please, walk in my shoes for one moment. I was chosen with the complexion and with silence chose to oppose an insurrection. I was told to refrain from interactions, white lights provided distractions. I was confined behind white walls that were never a place of refuge, a form of mass incarceration. Breathe for a second. What is my selection? Rising past the atmosphere, looking for the rainbow. Where's the connection? I have a brother and a sister who look like me and talk like me and even has the same past as me. My destiny started off with Psalms 116 when God chose to baptize me down in the river and let art and creativity speak to me. Hypnotized by the lies told in America. They say that we are free, but I'm carrying baggage you say. I'm praying to God on my knees. I hope to the Lord that we find tranquility. It's hard to run for freedom when I got all these chains on me. Hypnotized by the lies told in America. They say that we are free, but I'm carrying back for safety. I'm praying to God on my knees. I hope to the Lord that we find tranquility. It's hard to run for freedom when I got all these chains on me. Hypnotized by the lies told in America. They say that we are free, but I'm carrying back for safety. Pray to God on my knees. Hope the Lord we find tranquility. It's hard to run for freedom when I got all these chains on me. Take me down by the river, and oh Lord, wash me clean. Oh Lord, make me new. Oh Lord, make me new. As I walk by all these places, and I see all these faces, oh Lord, make me new again. Oh Lord, make me new again. They tell me I'm not wanted because of my dark skin. Oh Lord, wash away my sin. Oh Lord, but then you grab me and you tell me you're perfect just the way you are. You're perfect just the way you are. You're perfect just the way you are. So as we gather here today, one thing we must understand is that we come from different backgrounds, different stories, but it's important that we come together and share those stories. There is so much divisiveness within our country, but we never sit down and take a moment in space to create space to have conversations, to make sure that we focus on coming together. I think that is called reconciliation.